Okay, how to fix Windows cluster DNS issue? Okay, so there are 5 troubleshooting steps. Okay, the first one is we need to check the IP config re-register DNS. Okay, once we executed from the command prompt, we need to check NS lookup whether the DNS issue resolved or not, mean the cluster name it's resolving name or not. If still it not fixed, then use the command and which gp update the group policy gp update and just see whether the issue has fixed or not. So still it not works. Okay, check the cluster related events, any kind of event, critical event, any kind of bad DNS or something else. Okay, so before that, before we making changes, any changes into the cluster nodes, whether it is 2 nodes or 4 nodes, 8 nodes, we should make sure we do have proper approval, because that DNS, if we making any changes into the DNS cluster DNS or cluster configurations, that there will be impact. So the third troubleshooting steps to check that trying to fail over into another node. Okay, so from node A to node B, okay, just fail over all the resources along with the other cluster resources like network resources and all. Then check NS lookup, still it is not resolved, still the DNS issue has not fixed. Then fourth steps, try to fail back again to the original state, all the cluster resource, then try, still it not works, then try to restart the cluster service on both nodes. Okay, then if still not works, then just bring down one cluster node and try to restart the another node, then bring down that, then bring it up. So both vice versa, bring it down and bring it up. Okay, so that should be fixed the DNS issue. If still it not works, then try the DNS record, the host record, the cluster name record, is it available or not in the DNS server, in the DNS record is there on. If that is something it is not there, the DNS record to be recreated in the DNS server. So these are the steps which will help us to fix the cluster DNS issue. So these are the very important steps, guys. Please do remember, it's a real time experience which I am sharing with you guys. So I am sure it will help you guys to continue any further steps in your Windows support. Thank you, wishing all the best.